In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Trello cards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. Copying Trello cards is a fantastic way to streamline your task management, especially if you find yourself frequently creating similar tasks. So let's go step by step through the process of duplicating a card on Trello. First, you'll want to open the card that you'd like to copy. To do this, navigate to the Trello board that has the card you want to duplicate. Once you're there, simply click on the specific card to open its detailed view. This gives you all the information about the card. Pretty straightforward, right? Now that you have the card open, we'll move on to selecting the copy action. Look to the right-hand side of the card in the Actions panel. You'll see a button that says Copy. Go ahead and click on that. This is the magic moment where you get to start creating your duplicate. After clicking the Copy button, you'll find yourself in a new interface designed for customizing your new card. Here's where you can really make it your own. First, you'll notice a title field. Click into that and type a new name for the card. It's important to rename it so that it fits the context of the new task you're creating. This helps keep your Trello board organized and clear. Next up is the board drop-down menu. If you want to send the duplicate card to a completely different board, this is the time to use that feature. Just click on the drop-down menu and you can select the board where you'd like this new card to live. It makes it super flexible to manage tasks that aren't just confined to one board. Following that, you can choose which column or list you want the new card to appear in. This is equally easy. Just click on the List drop-down menu. Whether it's To Do, In Progress, or any other list you have set up, selecting the right place for your new card is crucial for maintaining workflow efficiency. Once you have set the title and specified the location of your new card, the final step is to create it. Find the button that says Create Card and give it a click. Trello will swiftly generate the new card in the designated spot. What's even better is that it carries over all the descriptions, checklists, and attachments from the original card. This means you won't have to recreate everything manually, saving you precious time and effort. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a Trello card. It's that simple. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. By leveraging the copy feature in Trello, you can keep your projects organized while efficiently managing tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more useful tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with